In this video, I will show you how to add passkey on Roblox. So if you want to add a passkey on your Roblox account to have some extra layer of security, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our Roblox app. So let's go ahead and do that. And from here, let's sign into our account. And from here, let's click on More at the bottom right, and then scroll down and then click on Settings, and then click on Account Info. And in here, we see under Login Methods, an option to add a passkey. So let's go ahead and click on Add Passkey in here. And then we need to click on Continue. And then we need to fill in our two-step verification code if you have enabled this. If not, you can just go ahead and continue. So I'm on an iPhone, so it will ask me to use my Face ID. But if you are on a different iPhone, it can also ask you to use your Touch ID. Or if you are on an Android device, it will ask you a way of securing your profile based on the device you're using. So I'm just going to click on Continue. And then it is done, as you can see. And now I have created my passkey. And every time I will log in, I will need to use this passkey. So let's go ahead and click on Continue. And right now, that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.